Hello, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about what is called the application of simple if. So, simple if, or we say if without else. Without else. So, in my lecture 1, I have already discussed the syntax of it, and we have already discussed 2 examples where it can be used. Supposing now one example when to use simple if. See, if a decision is, if I take a decision, if it is true only I will take a decision. If the condition is false, I am least worried. I am not supposed to do anything if the condition is false. If condition is true only, I am going to execute. So simply recalling our simple if statement, if condition, then we have written statement. So if the condition is true, then this statement. So if I say a T statement, I say T statement. If condition is false, no activity. I don't want to do any activity. For such situation, you go for simple if. So this is our recalling. I have recalled what is a simple if and what is the flowchart for this. So I'll take one example like bigger of 3 numbers, biggest of 3 numbers. Supposing I take number A, the variables A, B, C. You know that the value present in A or B or C may be the biggest. So what I do is, I take another variable called biggest and I first assign it to A. And then I put a question. If B is greater than biggest, then I say biggest is B. So again, if B is not greater than biggest, what you should do? No change in the value of the biggest. So then, another example, testing with the next number. If I say if C is greater than biggest, then biggest is C. What I mean to say is, I take the decision only if the condition is true. If condition is true, this is my decision. If condition is false, I don't have anything to say. So in such situations, it is better to go for the simple if. If condition is true, what you have to do it. If condition is false, no activity. So if you don't want to do any activity when the condition is failing, then you have to go for this simple if. So this same example can be used for any number of numbers. Supposing now I will trace it. The value in A, let us say 10. The value in B, let us say 15. The value in C, let us say 12. So I have taken the variable biggest. I say biggest. First I assign biggest is A. So the value present in A is copied to biggest variable. then if b is greater than biggest, so the value present in b is 15, 15 is greater than 10, therefore this is removed and 15 is written here. So that's what. So after this, the next statement, as for this, going to the next statement, again we have written if c is greater than biggest, then biggest is c. The value present in c is 12, but the value present in biggest is this. Therefore, what I conclude is the value present in biggest is 15. So if you take this example 10, 15 and 12, you know that 15 is biggest. This is how I can use a simple if statement for finding out biggest of 3 numbers. The same thing you can continue for biggest of n numbers. Thank you.